Hey, hi friends, today we will see 5 crazy and funny and useful website friends. So we will go into the video. The first website is mapcrunch.com. Here you can visit this any image and walk in it. See here, if I click the front button, you can see that I am going frontwards, and if I click the back button I am going backwards. So if I want new image, then if I click go, it will generate a new image. See, it has generated a new image. So here I can go. See here. We are walking. So this is a very funny website friends. So here you can walk. See, it's like walking. See here, it's very funny friends. You can turn your walking mode. See, I have turned, so here I can walk. It's very funny friends. So the next website is jacksonpollock.org. It's an amazing website friends. Here you can draw anything. So if I am drawing like this, if I want a new color, I should click the left button in the keyboard, left click, then it will generate a new color. And if I left click another time, new colors. See. So here, see here, you can do art with this website, then give print, it would be saved. So if you keep it for some time, the pointer in the same place, it will become very big circle like. So it's an amazing website friends. Then if you reload this page, then it will we can start it from the first. So here you can draw any art. So if you left click 2 times, then new white page would be generated. So if I click 2 times, see here, it has been gone. Then I can no need to reload. See here, it has gone. So it's an amazing website. You can use it for drawing art and drawings. It's very easy. So the next website is amazing friends. Students who are very tensed and angered with writing essay can use this website friends. So if you type some topics, I am typing Google, then give enter or click this button, then it will load. So here you can see that it has taken like a Word document. Then it has not typed anything, a website, but see here, if I type something like this, see here, you can hear my keyboard noise. See here, I am typing. So see, I am typing like something I am typing, but it is creating an appropriate good nice sentence. It's not typing the same I am typing. See here, so it's going on typing friends. You can then finally use this essay and print it or save it. So it's an amazing free website for students friends. So if then I am going to the first back page. See here, then you can save it by giving print. So now we are giving YouTube. So YouTube, then I am giving enter or clicking the button. You can. So here I am simply typing something. It's coming and correct sentence. See here. See here, it's an amazing website friends. For students it's especially super and useful. They can write essays using this. So it's a free and amazing website. Then you can save it by giving print. So it's an amazing free website. So the next one is the amazing lowing anger website. Did you mean what I am saying? So eelslab.com. It is called eelslab.com. So it's an amazing, funny and crazy website, friends. Here if you are angered and tensed by some incident or anger in someone, you can low up your anger here. So here you can slap him with your eel fish. See here, you can slap him with eel fish. See here. So it would be very funny and we will be feeling very, very happy. See here, I am slapping him. See here, it's very, very funny, friends. See here, I am slapping him. See here. See here, it's very, very funny, friends. It will low your anger. If you are tensed, it will low your anger. If you are a tensed person and BP person, you can visit this website. It's a very, very super website, friends. It will low your anger. So the next website, it is also amazing and crazy. It is the pointer.com. So we have gone into this website. If I keep my pointer somewhere, it will point. See here, someone will point at our pointer. It will generate new images and point our pointers. See here, I am keeping it here. It will point. See here. So I am keeping it here. It will point. See here, they are pointing. So if I am keeping it here, they will point. See here, one of them is pointing. If I keep it here, someone will point. It's very, very amazing, friends. So if I keep here, someone will point. See here how they are pointing. This website is very, very funny, friends. This will also lower your anger and you will feel very, very funny, crazy and happy. See here. I am keeping here. It is generating some image which is pointing me. Very, very funny website, friends. See here, one of him is pointing my pointer. If I am keeping it here, they will point someone. See here. So this was amazing. So these are the websites. So friends, at last we have reached the end of our video. If you like this video, click the like button, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more updates of our video, friends. Thank you.